What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on top 3 altcoins for July. So if you are interested what exact altcoins I am currently watching and what are the exact setups that I am planning to take there, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. First coin that I will show you in today's video is ARB. You can see that here on a daily time frame we are in the long-term perspective still really undervalued. But on the other hand, we are starting to having here an increased bullish volume. And for example, in the past couple of days, we are currently up around like 54% of a net market. You can also see we are currently testing this really important bearish order block area, which is between level 0.445 and 0.388. So right now, to open here a long position, I am actually waiting for a breakout and then a support confirmation. And if this condition is met, I want to open here this exact long position. Entry will be above this bearish order block. As I said, I want to wait here for that breakout and then support confirmation. Stop loss I want to place under this area, because if after a support confirmation there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Last take profit target for the next month will be under this previous important high, which means that potential profit can be around 110% of a net market, and with a stop loss around like 15-14% of a net market, this will be risk reward ratio almost 8. Definitely this is not gonna be your final risk reward ratio, because in a trade like this you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to definitely take like under this previous high, then something definitely under this previous important lows, because historically this was really important support, and here after breakdown and resistance confirmation there was really huge jump. So there is pretty high probability that market will simply react on this area, then something under this next previous high, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio from like 7.8 will be like 4, something like that, which is in my opinion really great setup. And if you, for example, want to help with trading, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. The second coin that I am watching is XRP. Here we are on the 12-hour chart, because we are having here these two important bearish order block areas, which are between levels 2.361 and 2.232. You can see that historically we had here absolutely crazy pump, and right now we are forming here really huge sideways channel. For now we are in this sideways channel for about 212 days, something like that. So for me there's pretty high probability that the next big move will be something like this. For me, it is also really important to watch this whole resistance area, and you can see historically this bearish order block area was also important support here, important resistance there, important support here, and also here. So if there will be breakout and then support confirmation of this area, then I'm expecting we are gonna take liquidity to like this previous important highs, which can give us really great opportunity to open here a long position. Entry will be above this bearish order block, as I said, after breakout and then support confirmation. Stop loss you can place just under this bearish order block area, because if there will be breakdown with resistance confirmation, again price is likely going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. Last take profit target you can place under these previous important highs. In this case, you will get risk reward ratio around 7, something like that. But again, you want to take multiple take profit targets, which means that some of the profits you want to definitely take like under this previous important high, then under these highs, then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in this case, we will get risk reward ratio 4.2, 4.5, something like that, which is another really great setup. If I'm gonna switch on a weekly time frame, you can see this is looking really bullish. A lot of altcoins are currently, like for the past couple of months, dumping heavily. You can see XRP is holding its value after really huge pump, which had around like 600% overnight market. So for me, this is still definitely a bullish altcoin, and in the upcoming bull market, I'm expecting we are gonna hit something between like $5 to $6 mark, something like that, which is from a current level still a potential pump around like 130 to like 180% of a net market. So if you are interested also about the exact setups on this altcoin, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. All important links are in the description or in the comments. And also let me know what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is the exact price that you are expecting this coin is gonna hit. And the last coin that I will show you in today's video is coin SPX. You can see that I am doing videos on this coin quite often right now, because in my opinion, in the upcoming months, this coin will also perform really well. Here you can see we are under this really important bearish order block area, which is between levels 1.604 and 1.425. So if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, this can be first possible long entry. The biggest advantage of this coin is that we are about to break the current all-time high, which is sitting on like 1.79, and once we will break it, we will get into a price discovery phase, which means that historically we are not having here any important resistances, which means that for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to simply do a bigger moves. Last take profit target in this case will be under $3 mark, which is next important psychological resistance. You can see that this coin itself is doing really great moves, so there is, in my opinion, no problem to do in 1 month profit around like 86% of a net market. But as I said, I'm not opening any long position in the current levels. I want to wait here for that breakout and then a support confirmation. Stop loss under this bearish order block. This is pretty common in my setups. The first take profit targets you can place under the current all-time high or under these previous highs. Next profits you can take somewhere around 2.2, then 2.5, then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, in this case, from the risk reward ratio 7.3, again, risk reward ratio will be around 4.5, something like that. If there will be a drop on this altcoin, I am also watching this bullish order block area, which is between levels 0.9226 and 0.8135. So you can see we already tested this area previously. I was talking about opening a long position on this exact level. So if you actually watched my previous analysis, or like one of my previous analysis, and you took here that long position, right now you are in a profit around like 40% of a net market, then you should definitely take all of the profits in this bearish order block area, or like slightly above, because I'm counting here with a potential liquidity grab. But anyway, if we are gonna retest this area, I don't want to speculate here on a limit order anymore. I want to see here a liquidity grab under all these three previous important lows. So I want to see here something like that. Stop loss, in this case, I want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So stop loss will be probably around like 11% of a net market. Last take profit targets, we can in this case place slightly above the current all-time high. So something around like $2 mark, something like that, which will give us risk reward ratio around 11. So with multiple take profit targets, this will be risk reward ratio like 8, 7.5, something like that, which is another really great setup. So yeah guys, these are the main coins that I am currently watching, but there are new coins every single day. So if you want to know more about these coins, or if you simply want to do another videos on my favorite current altcoins, then also definitely let me know in the comments. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. As I said, all important links are in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.